Hi guys, this is Jessica D 1987, and as promised, today I'm going to come to you guys with how to make a vegan lasagna. So the first thing that we're going to make is the vegan ricotta cheese, and I got this idea, or this recipe is based loosely off of a YouTuber called A Healthy Vegan. So go check out his channel. But here are the ingredients. You're going to need 4 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 4 large cloves of fresh garlic minced, and then you're also going to need a ½ cup of fresh lemon juice, not bottled lemon juice. You're going to need 1 cup of raw cashews, 3 tablespoons of fresh basil, or you can do 3 teaspoons of dried basil. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of sea salt, about an 1/8 to a 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg, and about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. That's what's in here. And in this bowl I have 2 packages of extra firm tofu, organic, that has been drained and crumbled up. So what you're going to do is take a food processor, and it works best in a food processor. You can try it in a blender, but I recommend using a food processor. So the first thing you're going to put in here is your cashews, and then you're going to add in your olive oil, next you're going to add in your minced garlic, and then you're going to mix these ingredients until they're smooth. So I'll be back and show you guys what that looks like. Okay guys, we're back. So we have ground up our cashews, our minced garlic, and our extra virgin olive oil. So this is what the mixture looks like. So now we're going to add in our ½ cup of fresh lemon juice. And then we're going to start with just half of our tofu. Just try to be careful. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to process this until it's mixed well, and then we'll be back to add the last bit of our ingredients. Okay guys, we're back, and as you can see, it's starting to resemble a ricotta cheese mixture. So now we're going to add in the other half of our tofu. Just dump it all in. And then we're going to add in our salt, pepper, and nutmeg mixture. Just try to sprinkle it out evenly over the mix. And then we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of fresh or dried basil. And I'm going to process this till everything is well combined, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, we're back, and this is the final product. If you can see here, it has the texture of a really fresh ricotta cheese. This quantity right here makes about 4 cups, and it's enough for one 13 by 9 inch lasagna dish. Or if you're doing manicotti or stuffed shells, it's just enough for one 13 by 9 inch dish. So this is the ricotta cheese, and the next step we'll be going on to show you guys how to make the sauce for your vegan lasagna. Thanks guys, bye.